Hello, Dan from dansdomain.ca here. Okay, so we've set up the ProcessWire site. We've edited the look and feel of it a bit, the classic theme, so that it's not so bright in my case. In your case, you've changed the colors to what you like. So there's a module that you can install in ProcessWire that handles all the embed code for you and handles all the sizing of the elements of the YouTube video so that it fits in your container properly. Let's do that. Okay, so open up your browser. I want you to go to this website here. It's processwire.com/modules/text-formatter-video-embed. And when you go there, you're going to see it's text formatter video embed by Ryan Kramer. Anyway, just click on the download button in the top right. Okay, and now you're going to go to cPanel and go to your subdomain, site, modules. Now I had already been testing this out. I'm going to delete this. Now, let's upload the file we just downloaded by clicking on upload. Then just browse to the file in your downloads. There. Now the zip file's here. So we just want to extract it directly to this folder because it's got a subfolder inside of it. Okay, and you don't see anything after you extract because the folder does not auto reload. You have to do that yourself. So click reload. There's the folder. And there's the module. Okay? So you go into cPanel. You log into admin. You go to modules. Click refresh. Now I already played around with this and it's found mine already, but yours will find the module for ProcessWire's YouTube embed here. You'll see it as one of these lines. It says found one missing module file, input field tinymce. That's something else. You'll see one that says something about YouTube embeds, and that's what you want. Okay. So once you click refresh, click on install, move down to the bottom where it says the section named text formatter, and it'll be listed here as one of these entries that's crossed out, and it'll say install. So just click install on it and then click submit. Now there's a setup area at the top. Want to click there, or not click there, but mouse over, go to fields, okay, and then click on body. There we go. Okay, so here we're editing the field that's body. So we want to click on details, and there's text formatters. So I haven't done this part yet, so this is where you are. Click on the drop-down menu. There's video embed for YouTube and Vimeo here, only because you installed it just a moment ago. Otherwise, it wouldn't be listed here. So now that you've clicked on it in the list, it's listed in green beneath it. That's perfect. All you have to do is hit save. Okay. And now this thing uses YouTube embeds. So let's give it a test. Let's find a video of dogs. Okay, playful dogs. Click, copy and paste. Okay, I'm not going to listen to that. I'm just grabbing a video. I don't know what that was. Okay, so let's go back to pages, dogs, edit. There's nothing in our body section, which we just set up to use the text formatter for YouTube. So there you go. Just paste in the YouTube URL. That's it. Don't do anything else. No embed codes from YouTube, nothing. It gives you no options. You have to configure the options on the actual module. So hit save. And let's go to our site. Now, I'm going to start over with the site. I'm going to go to new site. .dansdomain. Oops. There it is. Okay, and I'm going to force refresh it just in case I made any changes that didn't refresh yet. Perfect. So that should be in the dog section. There should be a YouTube video now. And there is. It fills the whole container because I'm on a desktop screen. If this were a phone screen, it would be shrunken down, but it would still fit and it would still play properly. So it's very versatile. It's a very good embed plugin. All right, that's everything. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.